Sabi nila, yung mga magagaling daw umarte, marami kasing pinanghuhugutan.
Mahirap pong maging mahirap kapag nag-uumpisa ka mag-artista. Wala kaming kotse, nakikisabay ako sa crew, sa staff. Hindi pa uso yung mga stylist sa taping. So, ang artista, kailangan magdala ng mga damit niya para sa characters. So, umiikot kami ni Mama sa barangay namin. Kakato kami sa mga kaibigan ni Mama, manghihiram kami ng damit. Although, I had to work very, very hard and I had to make a lot of sacrifices to get here. Like, I had to quit school, kaya sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, which is like my greatest insecurity. Malaki yung pagkukulang ko pagdating sa time sa pamilya namin. But then, it all worked out.
How inspiring naman ang kwento ni Miss Bea Alonso, mga Mars, and from rags to riches talaga. From nakikisakay and now the owner of 16 hectares farm in Zambales, and of course, kailangan mo pang sumakay para lang libutin yung farm nila, o di ba? Nakaka-inspire mga Mars, nakaka-inspire, o di ba? And now, let's read the comments ng mga netizens sa achievement na ito ni Miss Bea Alonso. I have seen her in person when she came to Houston. Nag-request ako ng picture. Mas suplada pa ang PA. Si Bea pa ang nag-stop and she said, "Halika ate, picture tayo." Siya pa ang parang nahiya sa alalay niya. I hope she continued to be blessed. I hope that GMA would really make a difference since they got some of most biggest star from ABS-CBN. Bea is no joke. She's everyone's favorite. Si Bea Alonso parang na-stuck na sa 25-year-old look. Hindi tumatanda, sobrang ganda. Say naman ng isang netizens. This is one of the reasons why Bea isn't hard to idolize or even admire. She's still humble despite the fact that she's one of the award-winning actress. Baka Bea ko yan. Char. Say naman ng isang netizens. Well, mga Mars, may kwento rin ba kayong rags to riches? Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ganitong video, mag-like and comment lang. We are open for suggestions para sa susunod na topic on our next video.